Paxton Products, the leader in drying and air rinsing solutions.
Changing the idler tensioner on your Paxton blower. Ensure that your power has been disconnected and all lockout tagout procedures have been followed prior to performing any services on your blower. First thing is to remove the belt guard. You would use either a Phillips number 2 or Torx T7 depending on the age and blower model. Remove all 4 screws and the belt guard will come off. Install a 5/16 Allen key into the center bolt of the idler pulley. Rotate clockwise to remove tension from the belt and remove the belt. Next, remove the black cap that retains the idler arm onto the pivot bolt. Remove the thick metal washer. Remove the arm and white plastic bushing. Unhook the tension spring from the retaining post. First, ensure the white plastic bushing is installed on the back side of the pivot arm. Next, slide the arm onto the pivot shaft. Slide the front bushing onto the pivot shaft into the idler arm. Ensure the wave spring is installed in the black cup. Next, reinstall the spacer. Do not over-tighten bolt. Loop the end of the tensioner spring onto the retaining pin. To reinstall the belt, first look at the orientation marks on the belt. First loop the belt around the motor pulley, then rotate the idler clockwise. Loop the belt around the blower pulley. Rotate the belt a few revolutions to ensure that all of the ribs of the belt are engaged into the pulley. Make sure the tensioner aligns with the arrow for proper belt tension. Reinstall the belt guard. For more information, visit PaxtonProducts.com or contact us today.